Students, let's start with middle term factorization. I'm your Kusum ma'am to teach you middle term factorization in simple way. So here the question is x square plus 3x minus 40. First term will be in square form. We need to find the multiples of last number. Here last number is 40. So we need to find multiples. 10 fours are 40, 22s are 40, or it can be 8 fives are 40. We need to choose such a pair by adding or subtracting. By adding or by subtracting, we should get middle term. So here 10 plus 4, it's 14. 10 plus 4 is 14, or 10 minus 4 is 6. We are not getting 3. If we add 20 and 2, it's 22. By subtracting 20 and 2, we are getting 18, which is not 3. Again, from 8 and 5, if we add 8 and 5, it's 13. If we subtract them, we are getting 3. So 3 is our required number. Now the rule which we need to follow, if by addition we get the middle number, we need to put same sign to both the numbers which we are choosing. And if by subtraction we are getting the number, bigger number should be given the sign of question and smaller number opposite sign. So this is the main trick which you need to remember. So here for this case, our question was x square plus 3x minus 40. We choose the factor 8 and 5. 8 5s are 40, and by subtraction we are getting 40. So according to the rule which I have given, bigger number should be given the sign of question. Here the bigger number is 8. So 8 will get the sign of question. Thus our solution will start x square plus 8x, and the smaller number should be given the opposite sign. Here we took plus, so we will take minus. Now rest minus 40 as it is. Now take common what is there in the first two terms. X is common, so x is taken. We left out with x plus 8. Here minus 5 is common. Again we are having x. For the second bracket, if we choose these factors correctly, second factor bracket we need not to solve. The same bracket we can repeat again. The same brackets will be same. So here final answer is the common bracket and next two numbers which we have taken as common. So this is final answer. Let's start with one more example. X square plus 22x plus 85. So first we need to find the multiples of 85. 85, it's a 17 5s are. 17 plus 5, we are getting 22. When we are adding, we are getting 22. So when by addition, if we get the middle number, we need to take the sign of question to both the numbers. So let's start the solution. X square plus 17x plus 5x plus 85. Now we are having x common, x plus 17 plus 5, x plus 17. Thus the common bracket, x plus 17 is one of the answer, and the next answer which we took common, that is x plus 5. So this is our final answer. So let's start with one more example. X square plus 7x minus 78. So first we need to find the multiples of 78. 13, 6 are 78. Now by subtracting them, we are getting 7. So if by subtraction we are getting middle number, bigger number should be given the sign of question. Here in the question we are having plus sign. So to bigger number we will give sign of question, and to smaller number opposite sign. Here we have taken plus, so smaller number opposite sign. Now let's choose the common. So here x is there, so x we have taken common, so we left with x plus 13. Now here minus 6 is there, again we left out with x plus 13. I told you the same bracket to be repeated. You did not to think more, repeat the same bracket. Now the answer is the bracket which is common and the numbers which we have taken in the beginning. So this is our final answer. Let's start with another example. X square plus 5x minus 300. Here the number is a little bigger, so we need to find prime factors of that number. 300 So I started with 5. 5 6 are 30. 0. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 3 1s are. Now we need to arrange the numbers in such a way so that we get the middle number 5. Now let's start out with choosing the number. Now here, if we choose like 5 and 3, 5 3s are 15. We left out with 2, 2 and 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now we got the required pair. So 20 and 15. If we are subtracting both the numbers, we are getting the middle number. As I told, by subtraction, if we get the middle number, we need to take question sign to bigger number and opposite sign to the smaller number. So let's start out with the solution. So here the bigger number is 20 plus 20 and opposite sign to the next number, that is 15x minus 300. Now x is common there, so it's x plus 20. Here we can take the whole number as common, minus 15, and as I told, to repeat the same bracket. So x plus 20. Those are the answer, x plus 20 and the common one, x minus 15. So this is our final answer. Let's start with one more example. X square minus 8x minus 9. So first we need to find multiples. If the number is smaller, you can easily do. If the number is bigger, go for prime factorization and arrange them and try to find out multiples. So here 9 1s are 9 or 3 3s are 9. If we add 3 and 3, answer is 6, which is not matching with 8. If we add 9 and 1, it's 10. Again, it's mismatched. If we subtract 9 and 1, we are getting 8. So here our pair is 9 and 1, where we are getting by subtraction. So when we are getting by subtraction, bigger number to be given the sign of question. So here the bigger number is 9 and question we are having minus sign. So minus 9x, opposite sign to the another number. So here 1 is there, so I wrote it directly x. No need of representing 1. Now x can be taken common. So here we left out with x minus 9. Here nothing common is there. So whatever the coefficient will be there, that will be taking as common. Now repeat the bracket again. So here x minus 9 and x plus 1. So these are the factors. So this is our final answer. Let's start out with one more example. X square minus 7x minus 30. Multiples of 30, 10 3s are. Again by subtraction we are getting 7, middle number. So bigger number to be given the sign of question, smaller number, opposite sign. Let's start out with the solution. Minus 10x plus 3x minus 30. Now x is common, so x minus 10 and then here plus 3, the coefficient we will take and we'll repeat the same bracket, x minus 10. So answer is x minus 10 and x plus 3. So this is our final answer. So middle term factorization is very simple. Only the thing you need to remember, we need to find multiples, and if by addition we are getting the answer, give the same sign, that is the sign of question, to both the numbers. If by subtraction we are getting the answer, give the bigger number sign of question and smaller number opposite sign. If you follow this simple trick, you can easily solve as many questions you like on middle term factorization. So hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please, those who are watching, like and subscribe my video so that you can have further solutions